Namaste students. I am Javin Dr. Aziz Mehmed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today I am going to discuss about the topic result on the total bacterial count by turbidity method. And turbidity method is detected using the spectrophotometer. So in this previous video we prepared the samples and we made some serial dilutions and analyzed the results according to spectrophotometer method. So in this video, we'll discuss about the result analysis of the mm, bacteria. So as you know that the more absorbance and more bacteria is found and less absorbance by the spectrophotometer and less number of bacteria is found by the spectrophotometer. More bacteria, more the uh, food material is worst, and the less the bacteria, the food material is good. So according to this, we want to analyze the data. So in the data analysis, when the dilutions is 1 by 2, the absorbance, suppose that absorbance is uh, 8. Suppose the absorbance is at 0.8, and the in the 1 by 4 dilution, the absorbance is 0.6. Similarly, uh, in the 1 by 8 dilution, the absorbance is 0.2. And in the dilution 1 by 16, the absorbance is detected as 0.1. So according to this absorbance, we can calculate the number of bacteria. Uh, it directly dependent on the concentration of the bacterial samples, and more the bacterial samples is present in the sample, more the absorbance is found. So when we find the more absorbance in a single sample, there we can find the results by number of bacteria. For example, if in the 1 by 2 dilution at the absorbance 0.8, the number of bacteria is found at the 80, more bacteria is found. When the dilution and when the absorbance is decreased, the number of bacteria is also decreased. Here the 0.2, at the 0.2 absorbance, bacteria is found at the 20, and the absorbance of 0.1, the bacteria is found at the 10. So total number of bacteria is found as 0.1 in concentration 10, and the dilution is 1 by 16. So we can find a we can make a graph here which can indicate that the absorbance and the cell number, which can make a relation between the absorbance and a relation with cell number. So there is a state graph which will indicate the more the absorbance, more the bacterial number, and less the absorbance, less the number of bacteria is present. So we will get state graph according to this uh, data analysis, which will indicate the number of bacteria directly, because the total number of bacteria by turbidity method is a direct method. It is simple and it is short method. It do not allow us to take 2 days. It is completed only in the 1 day. So we can conclude our result by analyzing that the bacteria found in the sample have a particular number of in the sample, and we can make the dilutions, and the we can analyze the number of bacteria according to that dilution. So our lecture is over here. In the next video we'll discuss another video tutorial. Thank you very much.